Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you on how to send a picture with text on WhatsApp web group chat on your PC with the latest updates. Follow these steps to share your photos with captions in a WhatsApp web group. To begin, open WhatsApp web on your PC by accessing the web version through your preferred browser. Next, open the WhatsApp group chat where you wish to send the picture with text. Click on the group chat to enter the conversation. Within the group chat interface, locate the plus icon, typically represented by a plus sign. Click on this icon to reveal the options menu. From the options menu, select Photos and Videos to choose the picture you want to share with the group. Browse through your files and select the desired photo. Once you've selected the photo, click Open to attach it to the group chat. Below the attached picture, you'll find a caption bar where you can type the text you want to include with the photo. Enter your desired text in the caption bar. After adding your text, click the Send button to share the picture along with the text in the WhatsApp web group chat. By following these simple steps, you can easily send a picture with text in a WhatsApp web group chat on your PC, allowing you to engage with group members and share visual content with added context. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in demonstrating how to send pictures with text in a WhatsApp web group chat on your PC. Enjoy connecting with your group members and expressing yourself through images and messages.